Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Appium Guide. In this video, I will explain how to migrate or upgrade from Appium 2.x version to Appium 3.x version. Okay, so now I provide the step-by-step details here. So before upgrading or migrating, first of all, you have to understand the few breaking changes in Appium 3. Okay, and the first most important is the breaking change is the required node version should be node 20x plus. Means the version of the node which is installed in your system should be more than node 20 plus version. Okay, if you read this one of the breaking changes is very important, the breaking changes in the Appium 3. Okay, it says with Appium 2 the minimum required node version was 14.17.0 supported for the node 17. As you know, the support for node 14 has already been ended before the release of Appium 2. Okay, which meant that even users are outdated, node versions were able to be used. Okay, that is for the Appium 2. So coming to the Appium 3 drops support for outdated node versions and dumps the minimum required version to the node 20.19.0. So make sure that whenever you are upgrading your Appium version to Appium 3, the node version should be more than 20.19.0 minimum. This is required version. Okay, so how we can able to check it here? So just open the command prompt and just set node hyphen space hyphen v. Click on enter. So it provide the current version, node version installed in my system here. So it says the version is 22.17.0, which is more than 20.19.0. Means my node version is up to date with support for the Appium 3 in here. Okay, so this is the important breakthrough, breaking changes regarding the Appium 3 here. Okay, now the second step is the installation of Appium 3. This is our main concept here. So installation method for Appium 3 is remains same as Appium 2. Okay, here if you want to upgrade, you can just simply install Appium 3 on the top of the existing installation. Okay, suppose you have Appium 2. Version, any version here 2.2, Appium 2.x version, just upgrade that version to Appium 3. Okay, so here we follow two approaches here. The first approach is the direct upgrade from the Appium 2 to Appium 3. Okay, so for that approach, just open the command prompt and just type as Appium, just say npm install space hyphen g. You know, right? Hyphen g is the alias name of global. Okay, and just say Appium. Okay, you just click on enter, you'll just upgrade to the Appium 3 version from the Appium 2.0. Okay, but this approach is not recommended. Better to follow the second approach here. So what is second approach? Okay, the second approach is the uninstall the Appium 2 version and then clear the files, any folders or file existing one, and then make to the Appium 3, upgrade to the Appium 3. This is a recommended, as per my experience, it will be recommended and best to use it. Okay, so we'll follow the for this video we'll follow the approach 2 here. Okay, so what are the steps we need to follow? Okay, the first one is the we have to follow the 5 steps here. The first one is the verify the Appium version. So first of all, I want to check which version is installed in my system here. So go back here, just remove this one and just say, so how can we can verify what current Appium version is installed in my system? Just type Appium space hyphen v. Okay, just click on enter. By using this command, it will provide the current version installed in my system. It is a 2.19.0. Or I can use one more command is Appium version. So both commands are same. Okay, so the current version is the 2.19.0 here. Okay, so I want to upgrade to the Appium 3 here. Okay, next one is the next approach, next step is uninstall the Appium. Okay, by using a CLI by using npm. Okay, so I provide the command here. So before that one, I want to know what is the latest version of Appium is available here. How we can able to check it here. Just open the any browser here. In my case, I have opened the Chrome. Just type appium.io. Just type appium.io. Click on enter. It will open the official website of the Appium. Okay. Here you can see we have a link for Appium GitHub. Just click on this one. Just click on here. So it will go to the repository, Appium repository here. Okay. Under in the URL, just type /releases here. Okay, just type /releases and click on enter. Here we have the latest version of Appium is Appium at the rate of 3.2.0. This is the latest version. So I want to install this version here. Okay, and go back to command prompt. And currently the Appium version which is installed in my system is 2.19.0. So I want to upgrade to the Appium 3.2.2. Okay, so as per this one we need to already we have verified the Appium version. Now I have to uninstall the Appium. Okay, so what we'll do, go back to the command prompt and just type the following command, that is the npm space uninstall. Because I am uninstalling now, just say uninstall space -g. Okay, -g represents a global space Appium, because I am installing the Appium here. So just click on enter. So when you hit this command, it takes few seconds to remove the Appium here. So it says remove 390 packages in 3 seconds here. So I want just reconfirm that Appium is uninstalled or not. How I can able to just run this command appium-v. Now see, previously when I run this command, it has provided the version of the Appium here. Now once again, after uninstalling the Appium, I have run this command once again, that is appium space -v. So it is saying that Appium is not recognized as an internal or external command. Okay, so means Appium is uninstalled successfully. Okay, that's the second step is done. Now the third step is clear the npm cache, and please note this step number 3 is a optional here. Okay, what happens, why we want to run this step here? So sometimes the old Appium packages remains in the npm cache here. So better, because we are upgrading from Appium to Appium 3. So it's always better to run this command and clear it. Okay, so go back to command prompt here and just say to clear the npm cache, we had to use the command called npm space cache clean -4. Click on enter. Okay, so here in my case it was disabled here. Okay, so in your system you can run it here and it remove all the cache records from the regarding the Appium here. So this is the command we had used, npm space cache space clear, it says clean -4. Okay, by using this command we are clearing the cache. Okay, that is a step number 3. In step number 4, check and clean the leftover files. That is the Appium config cache and delete the folder. This is the step number 4. Okay, so how we can able to check and clear the leftover files or folders? Okay, so in my case, just open the C drive. Okay, go to the PC, C drive. Under the C drive, we have the users. So wherever the Appium is installed. Okay, so C drive, users. So I'm selecting the user here. Here we can find one folder name called i.apm. So this folder I need to select. Okay, see what we first of all we understand what exact this folder. So this folder contains all the Appium related drivers, plugins, everything here. See, if you open this node modules, it will provide all, see here, Appium Chrome driver, Appium device form, all the plugins, drivers, which are we have installed as a part of our Appium 2.x version. Okay, so all will be in our Appium, that is in our .apm folder. So just select this folder and just click on delete. So first of all, it discover the number of items and then it will delete this. So this is a clean delete and then we are installing the Appium 3. So this is the best process we need to follow. So discovery is done. Now it will delete it here. Just takes few seconds. Wait for that one. Yeah. So deletion process is done and you can see .apm folder is removed. Okay, done. Now we come back to this one. So the step number 4 is done. So we have checked and clear the leftover files. Means all the cache we deleted, all the folders and files related to the Appium 2.x version are removed. Now we have to verify. Once again we are verify the Appium version here. Okay. Okay, sorry, I forgot one more here. I want to add. Now we have to install here. Okay, sorry. So the step number 1 is the step. This is step number 6. Now we have to install it here. Okay. Now install Appium 3. That is the latest version. Latest Appium version. Yeah. Okay. Done. So in step number 5, we need to install the Appium 3 version here. Okay. How we can able to do it? So we have to use the command called, just type npm space install space -g, that is the global. -g is the alias name of global and just say Appium. So no need to mention any version number here. If you want to mention, you can mention here. As in my previous videos, you have seen how to install the specific version. You just provide the version ID here, 3.2.0 like this or 3.2.1. So you can provide like this also to install the specific version. Okay, so if you see here, what is specific? See, if you want to install the Appium 3.2.1, in the command I just need to provide after Appium @ 3.2.1. Okay, if we not provide any version here, just you stop typing till Appium, it will automatically identify the latest version and will install here. So in our case, I want to install the latest version, so I am not providing the version ID here. Okay, just say npm space install -g space Appium. Just click on enter. So it takes few seconds to download the and just install the Appium. It depends upon network speed. So it's downloading all the required files. Just wait for the command to execute here. See, okay, added 357 packages in 24 seconds. Okay, now the steps, that is step number 6 is to verify the Appium version. Okay, we have installed the Appium 3 here. Just go back here and just once again run the command Appium space -v. Now it has installed the latest version. You see, Appium, that is the 3.2.2. 3.2.2 is the latest Appium version which I have installed in our machine here. Okay, so yeah, see the process, right? We need to follow. First of all, the first thing is that we need to check the node. Okay, for Appium 3, the minimum node version should be node 20 plus. Okay, so we have verified the node by using this command called node space -v. Okay, which is the 20 plus here in my system here, and that is the one of the breaking change regarding the Appium 3. Okay, and then we have seen that two approaches here. First approach is to directly upgrade to the Appium 2 to Appium 3, okay, which is not recommended. Okay, and I have explained the approach which is the best approach here. Okay, just say it's the best approach to be followed. It's a best approach to be followed here. Okay, and this approach 2, I have explained around the 6 steps here. That is the very first of all, we have to verify the Appium version, and then we have uninstall the Appium by using the command call. You see all the commands I have provided here. What is the Appium space -v to verify the current version which is installed in our system, and then we have used the npm space uninstall -g space Appium, which by using this command we have uninstalled the Appium, and then we have cleared the cache. That is by using the npm space cache space clean space -force. Okay, then what we have did, we have went to the C drive, okay, where our Appium is installed, and there we have deleted the .appium folder. Okay, this is a clean installation process, and then we have run the command to install as a npm space install -g space Appium. So automatically by using this command, automatically the Appium, it requires the which is latest version of Appium, and then it will install here. So once again, after installation, I have verified the version ID here just by using the Appium space -v. Okay, then the current version of Appium which I have installed is the 3.2.0. okay, 3.2.2 is the latest version of Appium here. Okay, so this is how we can able to upgrade from Appium 2 to Appium 3. Okay, so if you like this video, please click on like button, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.